Yeah, yeah, get it, rip it up.
Put his hand in there. Like,
Yeah.
put him in there.
Brady, dig.
There you go.
Yeah.
Good job.
Get in there, bud. Yeah. Yeah.
You don't think this will die your floor thing, right?
No.
What do you think, buddy? Oh, he's getting in there.
Oh my gosh, Brian, you're gonna have to be the one to grab this little boy and throw him in the tub.
Yeah, get in there, bud.
Eat it! Try it! Eat it! Brady, are you hungry? Put it in your mouth.